I'm getting bands, that girl all up in my face. What?
Alright, we're back at the apartment. I already did the prep work for a screen, so I'm going to show you in a little bit how I expose the screen. I'm going to wash it out too, but to make the designs you have to print them out on this transparency paper, as you can see here, because the light, when you expose it, is going to block out every single area that's black, and then when you wash it out, that'll be the area that's hollowed out, so then you'll be able to print it. But we got a couple of the motocross designs here. I'm gonna have a bunch more to add. It's gonna be kind of a whole sponsors list, but these are gonna be just little pieces that I'm gonna add to the pants or the shorts. Got this one too. It's like the Fast and Furious style. Got the two cars drifting at the bottom. We got the silhouettes up here, but you can see the scale of this design. It was actually 6 sheets that I had to cut out, line them all up, but that was the scale we were looking for. I want to be able to have the biggest size prints on these shirts that I can possibly get that looks good on a medium, large, XL, 2XL, whatever. But it's kind of hard trying to figure that all out, but I had to do trial and error, and I think this is going to be the best result. We are in the red room. Ooh, spooky. So I got the screen all cured, and the first question is like, everyone's going to be like, oh, why are you standing in this red room right now? So got a light safe light right there. You can't use a regular UV light because it would actually mess up the screen here, just because this enamel is light sensitive, and as soon as it's exposed to this this UV light here, it's going to start the chemical process. So we got the designs all set up here. I have to have them backwards because this is the back of the screen, so it's going to be flipped the other way. So got them set here, and then I'm going to lay the plexiglass on top, and then we're going to expose it. We got the timer. It's running up 11 minutes. It's going to start burning the detail into that screen there. So we got the UV light. When I tell you this shit's handmade, it's handmade. You know, we're doing everything by hand, and we're saving as much money as possible. But damn, I might have to shoot a music video here.
Yeah. Get on rise on rise.
I honestly hope by me just showing you this, and honestly, if you guys want me to go into deeper detail with this too, like, I just want to prove to you like how easy it is to do this yourself. Like, it just requires a little bit of extra detail, but you know, you can turn out with results that make you feel even more satisfied than if you would have just sent it to somebody and had them create it themselves. Time's almost up on this. We're looking pretty good. Alright, I'm about to wash the screen out, and when you do this, you gotta do it real lightly. You gotta massage it real nice, and you gotta talk to her real sweet, you know, so that she gives you the best results. I'm just playing, but if you go rough with it, if you play too rough with her, you could mess up all the details, and you won't get those nice, crisp, clean edges, and that's what we're looking for. So we're gonna be nice and gentle. We're gonna be nice to her, treat her real nice.
Separate, not together. Keep it that way forever. Margiela on my sweater. It get your girl wetter. Run up on me, my hand on Beretta. Hit you in your Beretta. I'm balling out the stadium. You can't ball better. You know I got my clear on me. In the cold weather, I knock 'em out left, right, uppercut, nigga Mayweather. My BBS on me, alright. It look like slay weather.
Alright, so I like to always hold it up to the light, so that I can see if I miss any spots. We're looking pretty good. Oof. Crispy. Ooh, look at this. Yes, sir. Alright. Because as soon as you turn these lights on, it's game over. The emulsion immediately starts to completely harden, and then you can never change it unless you just completely clear the whole screen out. But I think we're good to go. That's a W. Yeah, so as you can see, now that we get the lights back on, it was easy. You see, it honestly took, 15 minutes to prep the screen and coat it, 2.5 hours for it to completely dry. The exposure time was 12 minutes, and then I sat there and washed it out for probably like 20. So, really not too bad. We got a nice finished product. Everything's looking clean, and we're good to go. When you make a new screen, right before you're about to screen print, since you see there's the enamel doesn't go the entire way up to the edge, so in theory that's transparent. So because that's just all mesh, so I had to take tape and go the entire border around. So I did the back. I don't always do the front, but I did the front too just to be safe, so then no ink has any other way to go through the screen than just through the mesh. So whenever I want to use each design, I take tape and I actually put it on my pants. So I collect some of the fibers so then it's not as sticky, and I put it over the design I don't want to use. So then say I want to use this one, I'll block these two out and then this one here. So then I'm able to just swipe right here with the ink, and I don't have to worry about any extra stuff going out and it going through here or up top here and messing up what I'm trying to print. Actually, instead of putting it on the pants first, I think I'm going to try and just make a sample tee. I'm thinking about, I was thinking about doing this one on the chest right there, but then I'm kind of also thinking this one. So I'm not really sure, but I was planning on throwing that larger graphic of the three heads with the cars drifting at the bottom. I was like, I could put that on the back of this one, and I'm gonna just do that as a sample, and then I'm gonna do ones that have it on the front as well. But I was thinking about doing like a chest hit right there, maybe this guy or this guy, and then that bigger design on the back, just as like a nice little sample, just to see which style looks a little cooler. All right, so this is another little trick. So I realized that to kind of line some stuff up, if you're just free balling it here, if you're just free balling her with no screen hinges, I don't know what the fuck that shit's called, but like if you want to line it up, you're having trouble because the design's in the middle of the screen, you can't kind of see around the enamel. What I like to do is I'll take two pieces of tape like this, and what I've noticed is when you lay the screen on, you can actually see the tape through the enamel, so it kind of gives you like a better idea of where to line that up. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna try and finesse this. So all right, I'm gonna swipe her right now, and I'm gonna swipe her. Oh my god, it's like Dora the Explorer. All right, we're gonna swipe her, no swiping this joint, and we're gonna see how this print turns out. I'll take the glob of ink right there, and I'll lightly, I won't fully press down on it yet. I'm just gonna lightly swipe it across so I cover the whole screen area, and then I go back in and I go a little stronger with it, and that's when I actually push down. I can't do it one-handed, but all right, so this is the first swipe. As you can see, I actually pressed down this time. I like to hold onto the side of the screen here so it doesn't move because I don't have it hinged down. But obviously you need two hands to be able to do this, and I'm holding this camera, so. But I like to shake off the extra ink here off to the side just so that it's not too much. I have a nice clean squeegee, and I'm gonna hit it one more time, and I think we'll be good to go. But we're gonna lift it up and see how she went. All right, 3, 2. Money. Ooh, damn, that looks good. All right, so we got it nicely lined up there. It might be a little high, but I'll have to test. Actually, it looks all right. Damn, nice, good deal. Yeah, I gotta say, by far the worst part of doing all this is cleaning these screens. This shit gets to be so annoying. At least this is a small screen in a smaller area, but when I get to the ones like over here, like the heads design, that's a huge screen. This joint's a huge screen. Like, I got so many here right now, but when you start to do something like this, or the tour dates, it's so much to clean off. It's so annoying, especially trying to do this in this little ass sink right here. All right, gotta clean this joint up. Clean her up. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Shit. Fuck, I can't stop it. There we go. Oh my god. Shit, spraying shit everywhere. Fuck, hold on. Like, hey, yo, I'm showing you guys right here. This is truly DIY shit. I'm doing everything. And you know what? You can too. This is my shout out to Virgil too, because, you know, Virgil, if you haven't checked out his website, it's called Free Game. And it shows you step by step how to create a streetwear brand. And you know, Virgil is my favorite person ever, obviously, as I've said before, and you know, I want to be able to continue this legacy of artists helping artists. You know, I want to help other people to live the life that they want and have a nice little business that can evolve into a huge business, you know, because art has truly saved me. It's mentally helped me, it's helped me express myself, and I want you guys to be able to reap the same benefits too, because it's honestly, it's so fun. It really genuinely is. I bitch about cleaning these screens and all this shit, but the stuff that you can make and conceive when you have no boundaries is so cool. Like, it's just, oh god, it's a good time. So you know what, we're gonna keep going. I'm gonna show you a little bit more process, and you know, if somebody wants me to do like a more in-depth video too, I can do that too, because I didn't really show like the screen coding and stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys like this type of stuff, let me know too. We're just trying some stuff out here before we hit 1,000 subscribers, and then we're gonna start doing more daily vlog stuff. We're gonna do some pranks, as I said, with Rami, and I got all my homies over at Cool Kicks too. Everybody has their own different little style, so you know, I want to get a lot of them in on these different pranks too, and it's just fun, man. All right, she's all squeaky clean. And yo, by the way, I am very aware it says Moto Sport, so nobody fucking chirp me, because they're like, oh, it's Motor Sport. Hey bro, you know what? Less letters equals cool, okay? So Moto Sport it is. This is what we're doing, all right? Don't you dare fucking question me, okay? I'm the artist, alright? I get to say if things are spelt wrong or not, alright? So don't fucking chirp me, okay? Misspelling is cool, okay? So, for y'all that don't know, alright? Get this joint all heat cured, and I'm gonna have to make the back screen too, so then we can finish this sample. Alright, so the finished product, dude. This shit came out way cooler than I thought. We got the F star. We gotta add the back graphic, but we'll save that for another time. So, yo, thank you again for everybody for watching. And, you know, if you guys like content like this, let me know. I just think it's kind of cool to be able to show people at least my process of how I do stuff, or things that I've learned, and share some information with you guys. But, you know, thank you again to everybody that's subscribed thus far, and thank you to everybody that likes and comments and watches these videos. It really means a lot, and it's honestly helping me grow as a person, and just keep believing in myself, and just show the world my work, which is awesome. And so thank you. I really, really appreciate you guys, for real. Till next time, we are going to keep running it up. I am not going to stop, and it's only going to get better from here. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, and have a beautiful day. I love you all so much. Peace out.
Yeah.